In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to flip images here in InDesign. Now, this is actually pretty easy to do, and there's a couple of different ways that we can do this. Now, the first way is by clicking onto your image, then we're going to come up to Objects just here, come to Transform, and this is where we have the option to flip horizontal or flip vertical. Now, that's one way to do it. Another way, which is probably the best way, is to click onto your image like this. Then we're going to come over here to where it says Properties. Now, what we want to do is come to Transform just here, click onto the three dots, and then we have those options just here, Flip Vertical and Flip Horizontal. So now if I click on Flip Vertical, it's going to flip that around. Let's put that back. And if I click on Flip Horizontal, it's going to flip the other way. Now, one thing to note, when you're doing this with your images, you want to make sure that it's on the center just here. Now, if we put it on one of these other boxes, then if we flip it, it's going to flip on that axis just here. So obviously, we don't want that. Let's put that back. We want it to flip perfect, so we're going to choose the center of that square, and then we'll be able to flip perfectly just like that. So that's just how easy it is to flip images here in InDesign. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.